Hey everyone! So it's that time of year again. Christmas is around the corner, and while it's all about festive cheer and joy, there's something you need to keep an eye on: the crime rate in Jamaica. It spikes every December. Now, don't freak out. I'm here to help you stay safe. For starters, be super cautious with your valuables when you're out and about. Pocket thieves are everywhere, like ninjas, but not the cool kind. So what's the game plan? First off, charter taxis are your best friends this season. Trust me, it's worth it. Or hitch a ride with a neighbor or friend. Avoid those collective route taxis. They're like playing Russian roulette with your belongings. Day or night, try to limit your time on the road. If you must go out, carry less than you need. Leave your credit and debit cards at home. Your phone, hide it somewhere safe. Jewelry? Forget it. And never ever leave your laptop or money in the car. Big cities like Kingston, Spanish Town, Portmore, Negril, Ocho Rios and Montego Bay are hotspots. So stay alert. Remember folks, Christmas is about enjoying time with loved ones. Let's keep it that way by staying safe and smart. Happy holidays. Cheers.